Fiana say wo na say ukra paper e obi na be ware na wo green card na we really lotteries na say wo free ha kwa wo paper enti no e yasomdwe wo betumi a rent dan. Several people that we have heard say wo makunkum ho because wo hwese na na we di yi na we free ha kwa na wakoye sa na obi anya visa e free ha visa no de call you ukra paper or your doctor moa no oye lejuma. He's working good, he was doing good here. Ubabisha gloves, Ubaba paper. Maybe like because they don't value our certificate. Until it is not easy as we see. Until sikani ye ubenya ye be chiaka. But Tom Sanji or my dear, at the bako, I met me a can say to encourage everyone. Say, unya visa kekedia, don't be happy. Ghana, our Ghana mema wari a different. F from Abuchi, like say Yakasa Abuchi ni Bema. They don't have the what we need to one more I say I need to say Ejuma Sika, that's bond. Your friend our no any ho. Okay. Etre say ebia mukodu ye no. Me ye ejuma no pa. Me kwenye ejuma nyumre. Enti ase na mebra be do no. Ono so ko. Okay. Enti sometimes it's hardly say no be shia mo ho. Abroche ni be ma mausika. Oh ma kapre. E mean say me maybe a weekend and I say in a month or beka say $50 in maybe a fakoyoti anyhow. And I say we be shatare. Oh no.
I was information here na mo say so e dey fa abuchi una ma do na abubu so we dey kwan e dey akwa abuchi. Now so e be so some a wo matin do na tin some a wo so e tre say o ma bra bo so mbo na e ya e ya abuchi na wo so mo kom na bu se ne mensa aka me sis Letitia titi ye ba bo abuchi enkomo enti ka mo ho ni ma ma me akwa ba do e komo na kwa ba no ni subscribe button no so fa che me e too much gh ya kai say what the be on the account say the be na upload me to the first person ya wo sa e bi di kan. Oma pache mo akwa
Yeah,
Emeka nse Ghana boko
the Chicago force chichi ya
wo ye je obuso ma me da we na bidu ye
about 15th of March.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 15th of March.
But I will show you go check this.
But show you boko. Yeah, you hope to say you be feeling na mo so mo have say
about
you mo ba. Enti abuchi de boko.
Okay. Ma me ya na yetete nsem bebre de fa abuchi ababo. Ya yenko ho da no. A ye pese ye ko ho. Mo amwo ho no mo ba so ma mo ha mo ho abuchi kra de ho abrabo na de unya baby wo ha ye bibi wo ha. Na so mo ba bia na mo pese mo beko. Enti de pote na wa abuchi enti ase ya na mo de hunu na ye nsem ye ma ho.
Oh, abuchi de ebi kase ehoye den ebi so ekase ehoye den ni nyina gina niama mienu so say ansa na obe free ha obeko no so when you visa keke na so kwa abrochire ha that is when you are going to get tired. You're going to go through much stress because ansa na obenya opepa no eye niama bebre e la obefim. If you so be crowded to me, I saw boy, we do baby or semi you secretary. Now we do want to be paper. Just all the bread be bremo.
Okay.
Ain't in a no, and Emma will be being a lot to me, say, and I brought dear. When you make coffee. And secondly, no, so no, you to me, I can say, Sophie, Hannah say, now say, ukra paper, and you'll be now now green card, and now we need lotteries. Now so free hakwa, paper. Enti no asomdwe ubetumi a rent dan.
Okay.
Ubetumi aye adwuma. Ubetumi aye na yapese uye bia. Obia ene pressure. But say ukọ na visa keke na de call ya. My paper fe na ukọ bi paper. E de aye adwuma. And when le be di ho dance ansa na nipa no podi na paper ye den. Amaw na de apa adwuma. Eno so kura na to de bia ukọ na akoye adwuma. Sika se yetua no mo bi wo ho beche Ojiwa, let us say, when who said paper na nya wodia, enti sika se so de ma ho. farmer. Ain't you know, I go to near my you know, corners of crowd paper ya sundry. But so crowd dear in your house.
Enti sir wo visa no na wakɔ no eno kwa anya enough.
Enough. So we call visits. So when Juma Papa be here waha. Now you are going for a visitor. That is different. Okay. Ubeba uni say wechi ube ye we Juma. But obi o wa mitmiti e wo ho say obi ye ne Juma Papa bi. Enkofo kun won ho de bia e wa abrochi ho. If you say o wa ha no ye ne Juma Papa bi o woni fie. Juma Papa B, he's doing good. He was doing good, but at long last, now I say, oh, I want to sell everything that I have. Now I turn it down, I turn it fear, sell everything and travel. Obabe do no when you have a son, wabe do people away. When you die, Juma or shed them in ABI and Sanom and Sanobo no better ko. Several people that we have heard say, because we're just in a with the na we free her call na wakoye sana obi anya visa free her visa no de call you own paper or your doctor moa no oye lejuma he's working good, he was doing good here ubabe she gloves ubaba ko paper maybe like because they don't value our certificate.
Oh, okay.
Until you have their certificate, they don't value whatever you have here. They don't value it.
Okay.
Yes.
Man, oh, say Ghana hano ye juma ye no ye bosumi akatua na etua ye wa ha. Na ye a wo momo nya bosumi adwuma no so bia oton ne niema bia ne bodwa bi a day sales ne ye. Ba ne ate ne se abroche ne etua ka hourly nti adwuma obeye no hour ne etua ka. And wo say oh abroche nya kra no wutimi wo ye adwumaden a ene 1 hour bia betimi nya sika nti ya no bo a or compensation but na ha boso meaning na 30 days ni aka iska fie bi be 2,300 na dia hye me ko ha me sa 3,000 no me dey bi a seconds bi na hours bi na benya na yes wo be ko eno so sanity
eno de nipa na kan wo kan no ade ba ko pa me hu ho ye fe wa bruchire and say whenever at your age if you are 20 years and you have your PhD, nobody cares about you. Okay. They will rent you and they will pay you as you are supposed to be paid. So $150 necessary an hour.
Okay.
It depends on the work that you are doing. But I tell you, say, Senya yetseha, Senya sitinality bia, Senya yesi huni bia no. It's level because a dan can kwanya the ketwa.
Okay.
You can rent a house and pay monthly 2,000. You can rent a house, not month with your 2,000. Send me a by gas, suit you 300. I stay in a house because we will feel abuchi. I'm in the house. And you know, we gas bill beba no $300. Electricity bill beba. Garbage. Just say, when you're about the door. And you know, one son says the can do because send me a no match children no. One match children in such a way say, Adielu Benya and Solomba Saya then, Aji Woma dear. And you know, it is not easy as we see. Inti Sikani Ubenya, ye be chiaka, but Tom Sanji Woma dear.
Ma send me wo kan ya wo kire se ho adwuma na wo be ye no sika ne beba na so mbesan age wo ma de bi so kire se ai ho no benya adwuma na ye sika ne beba won se won tete wo dan ka tete ne ma ne nyina ne be ka won se no wo de compare ha na se still la no e ho ne ye
senia nipa ne kan ne bia no
okay
but ade baako a metumi aka ne say to encourage everyone ne say unya visa kekede a don't be happy. So when you get visa, na de bia wo bompaye say obi mbefa wo bompaye boy you want to travel, you can travel. Travel is open for everybody. That is why they say travel and see. Ebeye obia pese sanka o de visa kotuma ni nia benya visa no beye den obeba. But oba na be do na nkura paper. Wase ni areho.
Okay.
Yes.
Who could do nkura paper? Now could do or now apply paper adding.
Eden, Jedia, Unyo be a warrel. Ushio be not so be warrel. And I send your match 3 chrono into chrono crano. 10 Diana, I pay baby to say, Ubeti be the roommate.
Okay.
Because when Kwana me call ye, na me crap paper. Now also crap paper. Now I rented dine. Now chia bills. Any be now on kwa. Let us say at the end of the day, no, sika crowd no, ewe hibio. Enti no beti aya be roommate. Enti sa me ni high one room na ye chele ye room a. Ni you should one bath kitchen. Maybe 2 rooms na ya chele ye tria. Let us at least no be crack
cost.
Yes.
Okay.
And secondly, so no we partner. Na sa woni ne wo ho a at least some wo ho no obi efa edan katria now so dia wa fa eduhane.
Okay.
Let us say as mu na mu ye adwuma na at the end of the day no but actually no they pay every 2 weeks.
Okay.
They pay us every 2 weeks.
Okay.
Enti no eno na ye emwa kese.
Na dey say you compare Buchi ni Ghana brabo so na woka say wo partner na dey say bia no okunu nete aha ye nim say ye wo kunu ni ye ne nete ha ye kunu sua dan ka o yi chop mo nyama aduane o tia like bo o tia school fees o yi Abuchi ni dey say mo che bills no
Emi na jina ebi wo ho no mo a o ni ye edan ka kro be ka say me ye tuafa na me tuafa ensuo tuafa na me tuafa me say me kwa me kodu Abuchi. I told my husband, I say continue to do your own job what you were doing before I came to your danka to your I also take the house, the food and everything.
Okay.
And you know a dine your team so me for say me kunya say na me for say mesesa
okay.
and you know me so me wo fie say some na di dware nsuo a ye benom sa nyama ni nyina no me so mafa.
Okay.
Enti na aya asomdwe ama ye nyina enti onu kura na oye bibi kakraka me so me ye bibi kakraka ma me.
Okay.
Enti you know
recently video bi be trendy yo Ghana ha. Yeah na papa bi e ka se woton ne dan wo Ghana e be fa na yedi ne kodru Abuchi ba ne kodru ho no wagya na akwafa Nigeria ni be ma e wo ho. Me bisa we se impempi ya na ye tight se be ma bia be fa na yere wa ha de ne kwa Abuchi kodru ho no wo se wagya no oba bia boa be ma na kodru Abuchi kodru ho no waka tro ba ne se ompeni bi monyobu ha onware e de ne wo ho sei na live ni tienti a influence me ma ne ma ne nyina mo kodru a na adwene na sesa
no found quite it is not easy.
Okay.
But our real by itself no see I can't say our real I'm quite worried. And there are ups and downs in marriages. In marriage say nipa bia no say we can say our real atantande womb, serious womb,
okay,
ebufo womb,
okay,
but sa nia yatini nyina no nia me de mi hu ne say eye opportunist woman yes no eye ni da ho say nipa na one ne wo ho no kra no mpenu Abuchi na oti say ode na ekọ no enu na wo ni tiri because na oguso a wo kan me brother ye ka chiri oba bi be fa no free ha ko yo ba na o ma me ensa me bisa ne say mimia oba ya wo hu ni o ma me ensa o oba na oba won tight wo ma ye me ensa me bisa ne say won woda o si o me penasem then send Abuchi okoye na oba ne prayer wo share be mo be fa ne de ne koye fale ma no nya paper okodu osan page mama no o yeso genesis ya o toja oba
I say we no eyesu na ecosystem
na enye system no obi catch us a system no but ade ba ko so amehu ne say Ghana our Ghana mema our different from Abuchi like say yakasa Abuchi ni bema they don't have the what we need to one asem nyina na to say ejuma sika that bond if na ware no eni ho
okay
etre say ebia mukodu ye no me ye ejuma no pa we create juma nyumre enti asa na meba be do no ono so ko
okay
until sometimes it's hardly say mo be hia mo ho maybe as a weekend and na mo nyina mo nya juma and every other weekend am mo nya juma no and na mo be hia mo ho until way back no so what na se na hwe se me a Ghana ha sani audi kan yes oba obema yisika a chop money o tria school fees o tria we abroche ni bema mausika o ma kapre o mean say me every a weekend and I say in a month or beka say o je $50 in maybe afakoye oti eni ho and I say o be sha atare o no enti no once one lifestyle no any different.
And
the lifestyle is different.
Okay.
Far different. Enti no say oka say o be share enoa enti na aware be bring it say mpnache ene aware. Say me mpnache ye de ma na kwa no say ye nko o ware wi a na sa na ma ni na so twitwa no. Sa na bocha ware ne Ghana ware etie bemma yi ma de eche won memma aboche fon bemma wo mo firi ho na mo ba ha na wo be so ma ya te se ne a wo mo kwasika wo mo de ma wa hedi ba ma ya ware wa aboche no bemma ma obaska men doesn't give women money
okay
out and to say who so baby ye na de na ye no na ye na de din emi de bia makoma kopana bia meni ebie say odwene say me yiri nie na odwene ho say me ye bibia man na apart from that no dear it's far different
Mama ya ye to Ghana ye say ye koda sore ya ye kwoti Israel Iran US war ye wa ye kra ye me ho kakra fa ye ho a wo amote ho no say na impact on it ye wo
very scary.
Okay.
Because nkofo we ya papa ya kwaka ne ho akwaka ne wo ntokwa no wo ye nkofo bi a okwa mo ntokwa wo de wo adwene ye baako enti se yen ebibifo ya so wo hia wo ne bi e wo ba bi kura na otofo ma na wo de wa sore na watwam wusu hu no ye no wo de wo hu mo so mo ye baako enti se ana ye suro one ye ne amabo ye gas ye ne amakosoro. But see, I use slow because one day and form who say we are more shop. Cause ye be na ya dit you better chill be home. Or no, Jessica, and I say the video man a bussy, I know why not you so blue or ban do. And to be say we are shopping anymore. Now go. And I say gathering cause see we are more ye. No, the cool nipa. Ono kwa wa be room ni ya church no wa be kun nti si ana ma ya so upie kura na ukodi dwa ayi so yes because one so no sa na mo ya omni ama na ogusu awo ye no so ni kwan obefa so ti se na me bi eti ya obi kotena play more on trade world trade center or the room ye no be and that is how they do their things
okay
enti no sisi ana na because one no send away could or na o say we die gugu no no le oba ono so ni le kwa obefa so de beba nti amayan so e pie kura sisi ya na yisuro eno no yasam
aba US for to abana Trump ewi ni ye no blacks bo say America for blacks wo so ebo say pa titiru eye LGBTQ+ e bibrem ha na ye nyintuma na ono so eye against sa transgender na nyama no enti ma dodo na ni ji se waba but wo de wote ho ye hwe ba wo ba ye ne ne wo ye ne sa brin to kwa kokokosu ya obeka so ba ye no abebo ana
eno de me ka say aboa kra because enye no ni ode na no kan ye say oba be ye na enye no be ye wona adwene eno kra de onso mu bebia ye ode na no kan so be ye say bi ochina no be ye de eno de emiti ntumi nka ho asem be ye ni ti no ba ni oba ye ne say obema wo mo eni nkrata wo kro ni mu be ye den ebe fi kuro nim na nyina ye de ni ehu bi wa chi bi pa
Yes, or no buy deportation.
and no pen na ye na agenda and no pen na ye na adwene a o ye na adwene say obeye no guso ye
And yes, sir, or J. Nimayes was American first in 10 years, or J. American minus one, a whole 1 hour back room for Bajiku Nabosono. Won't come from Queen Krubi.
and you won't come up with him chrome ye so what brought you one I will say yeah ya ko se yeah na ya san ko ye de ho akọ as slaves
Okay.
so we be hwe senia ye be djuma ye wo ho ene ne ama e ko so a abofo no ye djuma bia wo
Okay.
say ka say construction adwuma sa Spanish fo yi amu ho plumbing adwuma bibia no ahoho ne na yesa adwuma ni nyina ahoho na o maba na o mabe wo mo bua kuro no sani a wo de chichi sa na da ho tie na wo mo ne sesi a ye ni ani nyina boa yedin because wo mo na kura papers no wo mo na wo kura na se a bibia na ye farms no wo mo na wo mo bua wo mo sesi ankofo no ma aso apro wo mo bebia eni wa wo bebia enti sesi anama niama nyina se na yenya niama koso na yenya niama sesi yenya bibia yi
Okay.
because akoko na opam wo mo na yesa adwuma ni nyina
Okay. My mom said, "O Cassa, will say in a way, no, yea, near Coho, and a yetty no cram, as a any idea what question quasumu, and a ye crony de mawum. Ghana needs in the crumwa, a Jumano created so besoriaco. O two quaya, o could dim rasso, Unia Cassa, former Jumania de Okoye, o do a bed okita PhD waha, what degree waha, what young masters waha. One fine year Jumana was what you know, but better find the masters not to go. Aqua year full Juma a wabuchi, sa for the internet.
eno die obia ne na adwene ne obia ne senia na by only motive e fa na bra bo ho
Okay.
but me die aware na de me koye
Okay.
na de bia me ka say ye visa e na me de koye ana say me pa anka me abrochire me ntina abrochire
Okay.
if say my pama dey 42 years
Okay.
ntina me pama dey okrom ama kire kola bebre adwuma and now my metin ho ne mase me wo me customers and then so ade pam so na ye ade okrom ha enti e bia sanka man kwa abrochire kura kasa na ni nipa ne ye but ya ware na re de me koye enti na me ntumi nka say me san me ti aye de aba enti no say me school me form 4 pen na me ko eduye me elementary form 4
Okay.
that is where I got to but me too kwa lecture say me to school so na me because I want to certificate bia oboa but to cra certificate ma 10 bia no when that so say hey me cra paper we kwa de bia me we bia no me nya adwuma ye den aye enti say me ti we sanka me wo paper papa bi pa de abrochire de no because one not sorry any easy enye easy wa abrochire bre me be confitting last week ma starting so sa me ya fi otena ko me yam sese me fiti kwa na me be ko because me ba 3 weeks ni no me ka say abrochire bi wo ba bi o
Wa han.
me ka she me fro bia me kukura no e wo ma je ono na frɛ me ni re fi kura say baby wo nyam ni no kura de o ka
Yes, I was small bejo.
was so me because o be so no pa no dimirika na just say it's too stressful ejuma bia ye be ka say me transesa me say me ejuma we me ko ye me kunu na say me say da me bubefu no be ejuma mo no ma na ma me say obi ka tell me say ejuma fu oni ye so obi ka tell me say me say ejuma me ka tell say me bua na abrochire ntia na me bubefu na makasa kasa na makasa rough but all the same no do ho akoshem enti me die e ka me ko asa wo biribi papa bi ye e wo krom ha na waso jo na wo bebi a wo de wuteto a ma wani yedin na tena ha na se ejuma bi e na wo ye so afa wakoma nyina hyem na ye ejuma ni yi na ejuma na wo ye na be so abapa ye den ama wankasa
Mama ne krakra ye wie na me last question aya na ye tede fa brochi nkomo ho se wakodi aduro. Obi pa tre owi wakakodi aduro one ni kunu ne ma ne ba ye na anu ye kwafo asanto ade o se ni kunu akodi aduro no nko a wamfa na nka ho. Aduro de wa brochi no eye de ade.
I don't know much about that, but most of the people say it's sometimes, or maybe any near maybe a obefa lawyer, but say, okay, was some extra no, now we're going to ni more or paper say more, or lawyers be or but until sir, you will get the right person to introduce you to the right lawyer.
Okay.
Until it would, a your common degree. Say dia obeka say paper until no who could into no, you have to get the right person or be introduce you to the right lawyer.
Okay.
I'll between a year or more. Was sad no. But sad common but air common now because so free more between your visa no.
Mami ye wie obi atin komo obi so sa brafo no bi so ayere no ho so okoton ne wo nyina de akwa abrochi afi kwa obi so acha ase egba abrochi ho mpaye efutu obe na ade be masafo na ifa komo nsi
safo na ebo mpaye na abrochi ye me nka say nye because eye so far say wo ho a niam bi a obetumi aye no obi owo ha entumi so easy I want to say bia na djuma oye because se ukra se sikana na person de ye bibi wa ha ebe kwa enim kakra aseni awe bia ukra cities na ode ya ade but me metumi aka ne say abroche is not all that rosy senia you no na sometimes ebinim ba no mo bedu ho aseni omo ye omo huhu die no and also can because it's like January we file taxes when yes kakakra not just oba or the car balance and your bay and who na who see send your bay and who was you nice from cry it is not rosy over there. It is a wo juma papa bi and now ya so when you visa and now when we need lotteries and now so when you be no so be warel and now a person be found as fiancé, it is the best.
Okay.
Because of do corner do could do not worry what assign. When you green card, you are done. You bet me a juma or beto was soon bed Joe. But say and sometimes not to meet us same way. Or be people now de be juma. The people now de juma no. As a so didn't D, as a so didn't bank, as a so didn't be I want to mean be a wow bank. Enti etua ka baba ko gun account no obi we ko gun account no be iska no so amawa na ene ya
okay
enti no na ye manso on person this can ma wo so won tumi ko bo police ni bi ama ne won tumi ko bo bi ama ne na nipa na ye den afa esu obi ane koma owo enti me dey futu kakra me won say whatever you are doing here no say eye mawa tina ha because dodo na na aba no ma be kum mo ho wo ma tonton mo ne ama no mo bedu ye no mo hu se ente senia na wo mu hu no enti no o hwe se obesa ba na chi ehe na okotena na ehon so a wa ba no so aye stress na we ku no ho nipa bebre ku mo ho enti se wo bibi papa wo ye wa ha na enye se ukura paper na wo tu kwan dia awa abrochire die no
mama ye that's pa
yes da
abusia aha na be ma kwan me de dwumadi no nyina esie ye ne Mrs Letitia Titi na edi abrochire enkomo no message so obedia comment or comment section for e dia mama all the social media handles no too much gh o subscribe like it no wa share amafofo so in bia dark gold any media macra